Can you still make money on YouTube in 2024? How much can a small YouTuber earn, and how many subscribers do you need before you can start making enough money to pay your bills? I know many people are always curious about how much money YouTubers really make. So in today's video, we're once again going to get all up close and personal, and I'm going to share with you exactly how much money I've been making as a small YouTuber with just about 10,000 subscribers. So if you want to know how much you can potentially make with a small YouTube channel, as well as how you can utilize different tools such as VFly to grow a channel and get your videos in front of the right people, this video is for you. So first thing first, how exactly do you make money as a YouTuber in 2024? So of course we have Adsense, which is a more traditional way to make money on YouTube. Then we have brand deals, which tends to be one of the larger ones for most creators. Then we have affiliate marketing. Now we also have things and supers. You can also sell products and merch. And then lastly, you can also sell memberships. And I'm sure there are a lot of other non-direct ways, but in today's video, we're going to focus on these top 6 ones. We're going to get started with the most traditional revenue stream, which is Adsense. While Adsense is a great source of recurring income and something I know a lot of creators are striving towards, I was one of them. You probably also heard that this is probably one of the most unreliable ways to make money as a content creator. And I can attest to that because I've made anywhere from a little over $200 all the way to over $700 in a month from Adsense. So obviously there are so many different things that affect your earnings on Adsense, things such as your RPM, we all know that, your niche, where most of your audience is located, as well as actually the age of your audience. So all in all, my monthly Adsense income has been averaging about $300 so far. So one of the questions that I very frequently get is, did you go organically here on YouTube, or did you use any promotional services or other ways to get more traffic to my channel? And to answer your question, yes, I have tried a few promotional services in the past. I've actually filmed quite a few video reviews about them, but the one that I've tried most recently is called VFly. In case you've never heard of VFly before, they are Google's official partner, which means that they understand the ins and outs of Google and YouTube advertising and have the right technology to get your videos in front of the right audience. When I recently used VFly on one of my videos, I noticed that most of my traffic came from YouTube advertising and came from the exact country that I was targeting, instead of coming from a random source or location, like it often happens when companies use bots and artificial engagement. The campaign that I set up with VFly significantly increased my watch hours, and the views on this video literally doubled. And VFly was the only service that I tried that actually increased my engagement, instead of lowering the number of people still watching my video in the first 30 seconds, which is something that often happens when you run ads and promotions. Which to me means that they really got my video in front of the right audience. Which is why I'm so excited that VFly has decided to partner with me in this video, and they were kind enough to offer my audience 50% extra views on your first campaign when you use the promo code FIRST50. So if you're interested in testing out VFly, make sure to use my link down below and use the promo code FIRST50. Oh, by the way, if you are more so just looking to see the final results, you can skip to this timestamp over here. But if you want to learn in detail how much I made from each source of income, you can continue watching this video. All right, let's move on to the juicy one, which is brand deals. So I feel like I've mentioned this before multiple times that I landed my first brand deal when I only had about 1,500 subscribers. I'm sorry if I'm repeating myself. Actually, you know what? I'm not gonna apologize for that. In fact, I'm gonna say it louder for the people in the back that no, you don't need a huge audience to start landing brand deals. Are you gonna be making a lot of money? No, you will not. But is it gonna be more than zero? Yes, it will be. My first brand deal was, I'm not even kidding you, like $30 to mention the product for like 1 minute in my video. So it definitely wasn't much, but it's obviously grown since then. Recent brand deals that I've gotten were anywhere from like $75 all the way to $1,000. Something I want to make sure that you guys are aware of is that you can negotiate your brand deals, create different packages, and really work with a brand to make sure that both sides are getting value out of it. And if you want to learn more about how to land brand deals as a small content creator, I actually created an entire mini course, which you can find down below. Now let's talk about affiliate marketing, which is definitely one of the sources of income that has picked up quite a bit for me in the last year. So something that I've noticed is that a lot of my review style videos where I do different experiments, where I try a product and service and tell you all about them, have been performing quite well for me in terms of conversion and affiliate revenue. If you want to get started with affiliate marketing, I know Amazon Associates is probably one of the easiest programs that you can get approved for. However, from what I noticed, this is also not exactly the best paying program. I think in the last year I've made less than $30 with Amazon Associates, while some high-ticket programs such as Fundrise can bring in as much as $2,000 in 1 month. So something that I love about affiliate marketing, especially when you pair it with a platform like YouTube, is that a lot of videos that you created on this platform pretty much live on this platform forever. So I have some videos that I created years ago, and I'm still actually making both affiliate and AdSense income off of those videos. So even though content creation and affiliate marketing may require some work up front, eventually you can turn this into a truly passive income source. And so at 10,000 subscribers, I typically make anywhere from $150 all the way to $2,000 with affiliate marketing. Now let's talk about thanks and supers, which is how YouTube calls this newer source of income for creators here on YouTube. Pretty much this is a great way for you to say thank you to your favorite content creator for creating awesome content. And while I definitely wasn't expecting to make any money from this source, I actually recently received $1.40 from one of my viewers. Which I was really trying to find that user who gave me the thanks, but unfortunately I wasn't able to do so. So if that was you, please let me know in the comments down below. And thank you so much for showing appreciation. And I know a lot of content creators, especially the ones that specialize in live videos and live streams, can make pretty decent income off of thanks and gifts. So if you want to show some appreciation to your favorite content creator, you can go ahead and send them a thanks, which you can find somewhere down here in one of those corners. So before this video gets too long, let's talk about the last two streams of income, which is products and merch, as well as memberships. So from both of these streams of income, I've made a whooping nothing so far in the last couple of years that I've been here on YouTube. I do technically have the Side Hustler merch, which you can find down below, but I did realize that I was never really actively promoting my merch in any of my videos. I don't even think I ever mentioned it. I kind of just, thought I would just put it there, like set it and forget it. But unfortunately, that's just not how it works. I think I'm definitely going to start mentioning my merch a little bit more moving forward, because I know some YouTubers have made pretty significant amount of money selling their merch.
So far for 2019, I have made $2,028.73 selling merch.
Now when it comes to memberships, this one is simple. I haven't created a membership program, which I don't yet see myself going in that direction, but that could be a possibility down the road. After doing my final calculations, I realized that the amount you can earn with 10,000 subscribers can vary dramatically, not just channel to channel, but also from month to month. Based on my recent earnings, I could make anywhere from $190 in a really slow month, or I could make over $3,000 during an exceptional month. However, I obviously rarely ever have very slow or very exceptional months, so I tend to estimate my monthly earnings to be between $500 to $600 on YouTube. If there's anything that I hope you learned from this video, is that it is very important to diversify your streams of income, because if I was to only rely on one of my streams of income here on YouTube, I obviously wouldn't be able to pay any of my bills. And not like I'm making a full-time income on this platform just yet, but when I have all of those streams of income combined together, I'm almost always able to pay things like my car payment, my phone bills, most of my utilities, and on certain months, I'm even able to pay my portion of the mortgage, which is awesome. So if you've made it to this part of the video, I'm actually just curious, is this more than you thought a small YouTuber like myself would be able to make on this platform? Is it less? Definitely very curious to hear from you guys, especially if you're also a small YouTuber. And if you're looking to grow your channel, don't forget to check out VFly, as well as hit that like button and subscribe for more content about personal finance, passive income, and side hustles. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!